Hello everyone, this is Melissa from Sunshine Packing Way. Welcome to my follow my video collection. Melissa talk about cake box. Dun, 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 dun. Have you seen all these cupcake boxes? Yes, this will be our today's topic in the cupcake box. As we all know, the cupcake box, the useful is really rich. No matter what occasion, and everyone will need a cupcake box. So now, let's go and see what we got, like Sunshine Cake Cupcake Box, what we have. Firstly, let's talk about the size. As we can see, the cupcake box, we got one hole. This is for 2 holes, and we got 4 holes, and this is 6 hole. 6 hole, we also have the mini 12 hole. Also, we got the mini 24 hole, and this is the for 12 holes. Also, we also have one size for the 8 holes. As you can see, for all the different holes, number 1, 2, 4, 6, 9, 8, or 12, or 24, all you can get from Sunshine. And then now, the most popular size will be 4 holes, and 6 holes, and the 12 holes. And then lastly, let's just talk about the window. As all the cupcake box, we will have windows. As we can see, for this cupcake box, the window is straight. And for this one, the edge is having little angle. And for this one, is like the big wave, like big scallop. And for this one, as you can see, with the heart-shaped window, and we also have very scallop window. So you can choose all the sizes with different weights, different lengths as you need. Also for the cupcake box, we also can do the printing, and no matter it's like one color printing, also like one color with stripped printing. Also we can do the colored printing, as you can print your logo in this place or other place. We can help design for you. So the cupcake boxes is the most useful and most used for all over the world in the occasions. So the customer will ask, the boxes is so big, how can I get and how will be packed? And I will show to our customer like this one. This is the cupcake box. Our customer will receive his flat packing, right? So I will show you, like for our cupcake box, it's really easy to open and to use. We take this one and see, we have the insert like this, and we just open it. See? It's very easy. You just open it and then put the insert in it. Yeah, so will be like this way. And then we just have to put the case in. This case is very delicious and very fresh. Put the cupcakes in one by one. Fresh and sweet. Okay, then you just have to like this. Nice, right? Okay, then you just have to cut it. So, you see, this is really convenient and very useful and really easy to make and really easy to assemble and fold. So, for those different cupcake boxes with different holes, different pattern, different printing, and different design, you can find in Sunshine, because we have developed so many different size, different series, all the cupcake box for our customer requests. So you talk with me and let me know, like you can watch my video and see, Melissa, I will interest in this one, or I will interest in this one. You can follow my video and scratch the screen and send me the inquiry. Then I will send you all the details, price, or the packaging, or other details. So keep following with me, and next time I will talk another more different cupcake box with some transparent lid and a different style. So let's see next time. Sunshine Packing Way, happy on the way.